Yeah, here to the left, this little park, that's where we walked. And that's where we got attacked. And of course, we couldn't see that there was a dog off leash until we reached this section right here. But as I'm saying, we got attacked from behind. And believe me when I say that I have relived this moment more than 100 times. It's every day actually that this pops up in my head. It was a nightmare. I love this girl so much, and now I have to leave her here because she needs surgery. The trauma from the bite wounds is too much for her skin. It got necrotic and needs to be removed, and this is a huge patch on her back. I don't want that she thinks I abandoned her, but I believe at this point it's the best for her because she has care here 24/7. I love you, Delta. Delta had extensive surgery yesterday. The surgery lasted 2 hours. And she is in the hospital. She's going to stay there for a couple of days. So what I'm going to do here, I make her her favorite food so that at least she gets a little bit of sense of home. Because it's Friday today, and usually on the weekends she gets this here, which is ground beef with an egg. And then of course some of her kibble, because I hope that I can go and see her today. So I made already 4 portions of ground beef with egg. That will not be for today, that will be for tomorrow. She gets 1 for morning, 1 evening. But since she had surgery, and I know with all that medication she won't eat, maybe she will eat a high value meal, which is going to be this here, her favorite steak. She just loves sirloin, so she's gonna get that for, and I make the labels here for her, so she's gonna get that for Saturday evening here. Sorry, not Saturday, today's Friday. I don't even know what day it is, and I'm still under shock. I'm here at the animal care center trying to see if I can see Delta, but it depends on how many people are here. So let's check. Yeah, I'm at the vet now waiting on Delta. They put a blanket down here. This is my girl here, and the wound is so bad. I don't know if I can show this. It is, oh my God, they cut away so much of her. Oh, poor girl. That's the camera data. 18 to 22, that's the size that it says here. And size 30. I'm gonna try to buy something for you that fits better. Huh, girl? Something inflatable? Yeah? My baby girl here. God, that wound is so deep. They cut away so much of her. You don't deserve that, girl. You are a good girl. Well, the way I treat Delta now is that I come every morning, every evening, take her for a walk, because with me she does her business, and then I bring her good food. I mean, she gets it all right now: steak, pork, turkey, and a little bit of a kibble. Currently in her state she is not so fond of the kibble, but hey, I cannot always bring steak. Anyhow, I do whatever is necessary to bring her strength back up so that those wounds that I really don't want to show here, they are intense, that they heal, which will be a very, very lengthy process according to the vet. She's staying here. Tomorrow is Thursday, that is 1 week, and then she will stay for another week because they do some special treatments to the wound with UV lights, and it's supposed to double the speed of healing. Yeah, I'm here at the hospital with Delta. We just went on a walk, and then I did feed her food that I cooked at home. I give her really now only the best. I want her to regain her strength as fast as possible. I mean, as you can tell, she is in good spirits, but the wound is of course still massive. Yeah, I just picked up Delta. I had to wait 40 minutes here at the vet until they brought her out. It's extremely busy this Saturday morning, and we're going twice a day. I go and pick her up for a walk. I just hope that new skin starts forming soon. Doctor said it's a very lengthy process, and I decided to let Delta stay here for another week because she gets this fovea light treatment every 2 days, and then wound care, and well, basically they watch her 24/7 because this clinic is open 24/7, and that's why I decided to do that. It's very hard. Tell you the truth, it's extremely hard. I miss my girl. I miss her very, very much because I love her, and she means everything to me. Unfortunately, we have no better area to walk at. This is just across the clinic. There is, I wish there would be something grassy or anything like that. But no, there isn't. There's nothing here. So I'm trying to make the best out of it because Delta needs this, and when the hospital staff walks her, she doesn't do her business. That's the problem. That's why I told them I do it. And yeah, they agreed because usually they do not allow visitors on the weekend. Yeah, I'm here with Delta on our morning walk. Maybe the last one, because I'm going to meet with the doctor after this walk. And then it will be decided if I can take Delta home. Delta is having her food, and then right after that the doctor will come in, and then we will find out what's gonna happen next. Yeah, I can't believe it's really happening. I'm taking Delta home. She was released today, discharged. I got tons of stuff for her from the doctor, ointments, medication and whatnot, because I have to take care of the wound. And then next Tuesday we go back to the doctor again, where she gets another treatment and wound care. So hopefully she heals quickly. Delta already found her welcome present, her new toy. She's so happy to be home. You wouldn't believe it. She's so happy, and first thing is, of course, is she went to a water bowl because she knows exactly where it's at. And then she looked in the living room and found her toy, her present, and she's happy about it. You like your toy, girl? You like your toy? You like your toy? Well, she definitely does. Yeah, today is Delta and my first morning together after she was gone for 2 weeks in the hospital. It was a little rough night for me since I slept downstairs with Delta to watch her, make sure she doesn't scratch with her hind legs the wound. And you know, I mean, as a dog owner who loves his dog, it's you're always concerned and you always worry. We did a short walk this morning in the desert, a little over a mile, so we keep it easy. But all I can tell you is she's super happy to be back in her environment that she knows, and especially, of course, being here at home. She loves the backyard. She loves the grass. She loves sitting here right next to the pool. Huh, Data? Enjoying life, huh, girl? Enjoying life. Today is Tuesday, September 30th. We have the first follow-up for Delta for her wound, for her surgery wound. And I bought this for Delta here. Those stairs, come here, baby. They are really easy for her to get into the truck because they are exactly the same height. It's very easy to get in and to get out. And that works well for her because, of course, she's not allowed to jump or anything like that. Yeah, this morning Delta is gonna get her special treatment. It's called fovea, which is some sort of a UV light treatment that is supposed to accelerate healing. And we'll find out when we talk to the doctor if that is now a weekly thing, because it's the first time now that we see the doctor again after Delta was there for 2 weeks. So let's see if we can walk in with Delta already or if we have to wait our appointments for 8:30. Yeah, when you think about it, that our initial appointment was 8:30 and now that we're ready to leave, it's unbelievable. It's 11:30. Wait, Delta. That's a good girl. And come out slowly, 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 slowly. Good. Today it's Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025. It's now 3 weeks and 1 day that Delta had surgery, and it's 3 weeks and 4 days that Delta got attacked by a pit bull. She is now a week and 1 day back at home. We both are totally happy about it. And yeah, she's healing. Yeah, in general, Delta is in a good mood. She's, of course, super happy that we can go on walks again. Everything is in according to the vet. I asked how far I can go, what is safe for her. So yeah, I discussed those things with the vet. I want her to be safe. So this was a short morning walk, 1.7 miles. That is perfect for Delta. As I said, everything is in accordance with the doctor, with the vet. That was good, Delta. And by the way, those stairs here, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is excellent. This is just the correct height to get into my truck for Delta without any problems for her. This is great. Today is Saturday, October 11th. Monday it would be 5 weeks since the pit bull attack. And next Thursday it would be 5 weeks since Delta's surgery. I don't want to jinx it, but her wound is healing great. It's still, if you would see it, you would still think it's a fairly large wound. But we go to a follow-up of the vet every week, and our last follow-up was Tuesday, and the vets downgraded the wound from a large wound to a medium wound, so that's a great success. Yeah, but our bad luck didn't stop there. This week I broke my little toe. I have the living room and the bedroom covered in sheets because Delta's wound, of course, is still open. It's oozing, and the scab is every now and then coming off. And so, yeah, I covered everything, and I somehow got caught in one of the sheets with my foot, I assume, and hit the leg of a table really hard. And it was getting better, but then, yeah, with my luck, 3 days later, I hit the same foot again. So yeah, off to the doctor, getting x-rays. Haven't heard the results yet. By by the looks of it, I assume it's broken. So that's why I'm on the bicycle. I cannot walk. It's pretty painful, especially when you put on the shoes. But Delta needs her exercise, and that is very important to her, very important to me. According to the vet, who also said Delta is one of the best patients they ever had. She never complains, never whines, never barks. She just is a happy camper. She's not afraid going to the vet. They all love her there, by the way. But yeah, the vet said that Delta is in a really good physical condition, and that helps with the healing process. Now here we are approaching the vet again. It's week 9 after surgery. Yeah, Delta. Huh, girl? So we're ready to be called in. Here you are, Delta girl. Come here, come here. Hey. Here you are, Delta. I know, you've been here so many times, huh? So Delta got her treatment, and the verdict is that we have to come back in 2 weeks. The doctor is really pleased of her progress and the healing. Let's see. Sit. Good. Now sit. Good girl. 74.6. Good. Today is a good day. Not just because it's December 17th, which is my birthday, but this was also our last vet visit today. The vet is very pleased with the development of Delta's healing, and the wound is so small right now that we don't have to come back again unless there are complications. Of course, we don't hope that that's going to happen. But I mean, I've been taking care of Delta for now over 3 months since the attack. And the wound is really, really very little. Hey! Oh, go away. Go away. All the time. This is the 4th time that we are getting attacked. And the owner does nothing. The dogs are always off leash. Yeah, it is Super Bowl Sunday today. And I have some news channel updates, so to speak, for our YouTube channel. Yeah, in about 4 days, Delta and I, we are going to go on a camping trip again. So that's gonna be exciting. There will be new videos, of course, and new adventures from Delta, myself, and more Texas state parks. So stay tuned to our new adventures on our channel, Arm Camping Trails and Adventures. See you then.